How to restore deleted WhatsApp images without backup. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have accidentally deleted WhatsApp images and you don't have any backup, don't worry. There are still a few smart ways you can try to get them back. Let's break it down step by step. First thing you have to do is check your phone's internal storage. For that, go over to My Files or any kind of file manager you have on your phone. Once you open it up, you need to go ahead and tap on internal storage and then tap on Android. Go to media, and once you head over here, you need to go to com.whatsapp, then find WhatsApp, and you can find the images section here. Now you can go over to the media folder and find your images here. If you don't see it here, what you want to do is look in the recently deleted folder. Many phones have recently deleted or trash folder inside your gallery app or your file manager app as well. So for that, you want to go to home, find the recycle bin down below, and you can find all of these options here. So you might find the deleted image right over here. Now, you also have an option to check your backup folder. So let me just quickly head over to that folder where I was, right here. On the WhatsApp folder, you can go over to the trash icon. So on the .trash icon, you can see the deleted files. If you don't see the .trash icon, it probably means that you haven't turned on the hidden file access. For that, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then go to settings. From settings, make sure you toggle this show hidden system files option. And that's basically it, guys. If none of this works, then you can ask the sender to resend the image. It might sound obvious, but it works most of the time. So you can try to ask them and you should be good to go. And that's it. Now, losing WhatsApp images without backup might be stressful, but if you follow these steps, you should get your images back. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.